New program in South Georgia is giving law enforcement a better way to respond to mental crisis calls, especially when dealing with dementia patients. Good evening, everyone. I'm Greg Lloyd.
And I'm Jamie Worsley. After a scary moment involving an elderly woman on the interstate, WAOB News 10's Brittany Blake highlights why these resources are needed.
A Hayhire police officer stopped with what appeared to be a disabled vehicle on the side of the road, but found an elderly dementia patient walking along the interstate. Quickly, the officer responded, calling Legacy Behavioral Health, who came to the scene and evaluated the patient, offering them critical services for their time in need.
They processed her, but then they got her into a geriatric psychological facility over in Moultrie, which is, that's something we could have never done on our own.
Part of the co-responder program is I actually do a follow-up within 48 hours with the individual to make sure that they've been connected to ongoing services to hopefully prevent the situation from happening in the future.
As officers come across mental health crisis, they are able to call Legacy for assistance. The main goal of the program is to help with jail divergence, giving law enforcement additional leeway, especially dealing with dementia cases.
They don't need jail, they need help, and we're able to get them the help they need through our partnership with Legacy.
Angela Riley is a caregiver whose mother was diagnosed with dementia in 2020. Her advice is to not ignore the signs and do whatever to get help.
Everybody that I talk to now, I tell them not to be embarrassed, not to be shamed or whatever, because you need to do whatever you can as quick as you can to see make sure that person has much longevity.
That's what Legacy does, connect families to resources that support the betterment of their mental health.
We've run into a lot of situations where the family was really thankful we came out. They said, "Oh my goodness, we didn't know that this program existed." And those are the best feelings, is when we're able to connect somebody.
With only 2 local partnerships, Legacy Behavioral Health is looking to expand the co-responder program to benefit the 10 counties they serve. Brittany Blake, WAOB, your hometown news source.